Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel again. So today we are going to start tearing down the 2007 Kx450 dirt bike project. We have a whole bunch of parts on the way for it. We're going to bring it into the shop and we're just going to start, tearing it down, seeing what else we need. Already ordered plastics and some other things, but those have yet to arrive. But I figured I'd make a video, and if you haven't already seen the first video I made about how I got this bike, probably click that video up here. We are going to just start. We're going to go grab the bike, I'll show you, and then we're just going to do a little time lapse of tearing it down and seeing what we got. Okay, so we got the bike torn down. Everything looks pretty good besides some minor stuff. The threads in these two holes are a they're non-existent. You can see they were just jammed in there like a bigger bolt or whatever. The chain, it's okay. I had a bit of an issue, had a little bit of gas spill because the line that comes from the bottom of the tank doesn't go directly to this off valve. It comes off the back, and there's no valve from here to the tank. So there's actually no way to shut the gas off when you take the tank off. So I pulled that off and it kind of spilt everywhere, but managed to plug it up with a bolt. Other than that, everything looks okay. Up on the front fender here, we've had some minor issues just because all the bolts in there are seized in, so I soaked them down with penetrating fluid. The shocks look okay. There's a little bit of oil everywhere. I mean, I noticed the shifter shaft in there has a little bit of play. Probably not the healthiest, and this has a little bit of play on it, but whatever, it's a used bike. It's got a little bit of play in the throttle, but in the carb everything looks good. Not too worn out. It doesn't look like it sucked dust in there before. It doesn't look like the valve cover is leaking too much or anything. The air filter here is extremely bad. I mean, definitely need a new air filter. It's like one of the worst ones I've ever seen for sure. And if you look at the pipe, this has obviously been flipped onto its back. The pipe smashed in and cracked all around. It's got a big hole in the back, so this pipe is done. It's kind of unfortunate. It's an FMF pipe, so it was once a decent pipe. Plastics here, they're pretty much shot. These ones are okay. I'm going to keep them in case I break something. Just as an extra, something I can slap on there. The fender over there is completely totaled, so you know. We're actually going to take this fender. You can see there's nothing left of this fender. It's done. So we're just gonna throw this in the garbage. That's the bike. We've torn it down. It certainly has some issues. Those threads are an issue. The pipe is an issue. Plastics are an issue. The air filter is an issue. The fender not coming off on the front is an issue. Throttle having play is an issue. The shifter linkage has some play, and the Kickstarter bolts snapped off. And not to mention the tires are completely shot. But we'll be able to figure something out. We can make it into a nice bike. Like I said, I have new plastics on the way, new levers on the way, and a new drain plug on the way because it's currently leaking some oil because the drain plug threads are shot. But other than that, it's a pretty decent looking bike. It's not in terrible shape. Had a few hiccups taking it apart, but it's just a little short video for you guys. And like I said, if you want to see how I acquired this bike on a trade, the video link will be in an iCard up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, please subscribe. It helps a lot. And